Grab his neck.
I did.
Oh shit. What you like about it?
Everything.
You like his lips?
Mm-hmm.
You like show what you like about his lips? Or or I gotta like get out the car for that.
I think you should get out.
You want me to get out? I'm gonna get out.
I look good enough to like get in the back and shit.
Maybe.
Would you get in the back? Same shit.
Oh, yes, Daddy.
Like, go ahead.
What's good, YouTube? It's Al back with another fucking banger, and I got a fucking blind date for y'all. Y'all already know what the fuck going on. Who I got with me? Wait, it's him saying name first. Introduce yourself, bro. Oh shit! Oh shit! Who we got right here?
Wow.
No. All right, so I picked these two for a little blind date because I feel like they would be compatible. Alright, but I'm gonna ask y'all a few questions, then y'all gonna take y'all mask off, alright? Alright, so
Go ahead.
what's y'all type?
I like tall niggas.
You like tall niggas?
Mm-hmm.
You like niggas with hair?
Yeah, easier to drag.
Ooh. Oh shit, that's all you like?
Yeah, I don't know, I just like, we gotta like, you know, a vibe.
You gotta be a vibe.
Yeah.
Where, alright, what you like?
You gotta be on the low too.
I like,
Can't be too hype.
You gotta be sturdy, like, you gotta look good. And your ass gotta be fat, too.
Oh!
How fat? Like, how fat it gotta be?
Like,
type shit. Like, Ari fat?
like India fat.
I'm flat.
Type shit. Is your shit fat?
No.
It's not fat? She capping, I think. Wait, rate your ass. Grade, what grade is your ass in type shit?
4.
4th grade? How you feel about that?
He needs some milk.
Shit a bummer.
That's a bummer. Summer, the kid.
It's cool.
That shit be
Alright.
cry.
Alright, what would y'all do to spice up a relationship? Who wanna go first?
Like, what you mean, like?
Like, eat his butt?
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
That's dirty.
Mm-hmm. Or what would you do?
Let him answer.
Or what would you do, bro? Since she don't know.
To spice it up, I'll take her on dates. Rub her feet when she come home from work. Make sure it's food cooked and all that. It don't always gotta be the female that cook the food. Clean the curb.
Oh shit.
That could be both ways. So we could both
50-50.
could both be
My
happy.
man really sounding like husband material right now. Alright, what about you
I
though?
don't know how I care.
You know, go out, spend time together. I don't know, just do fun stuff, you know.
What about spicing it up in bed though? Like, what would y'all do in bed that y'all normally wouldn't do?
Oils,
What would I
whipped
do?
cream, shit like that.
Yeah. You would put what? You would do what?
I said like use oil, whipped cream, like, you know, stuff like that.
Oh!
Handcuffs, shit like that.
Oh shit. Alright, what would you do, bro?
Shit. Alright, pull her weave out.
Your weave ever been pulled out?
No,
Pull her wig off. Do all that.
I
Slap her with
had
it?
braids. Like, you can
Like,
pull the
slap
braids,
her
not
with
the.
it?
No, you can pull the braids, not the wig.
I'm pulling both.
Nah.
What about licking chocolate off her or something like that? Would you ever do that?
I'm gonna lick chocolate off her coochie.
What about, wait, you like chocolate licked off you?
Whipped
Put whipped
cream.
cream on her ass.
Yo.
Yo, I can't see shit, yo.
She can't see shit. Alright, rate my man voice 1 through 10. How you
9.
sound? 9. What you like about it?
It's like deep but not deep. Like
Oh, shit.
I don't know. It's
just right.
Yeah.
It's just right. Alright, rate her voice.
She is dumb.
A dime in her city, huh?
She sound good, but does she look good though?
Oh shit. Do you look good? Rate
That's a good
yourself.
question. I give myself a 10. The fuck?
Alright, rate yourself, bro.
Nigga, what, nigga?
Oh shit. Alright, so we about to get a little spicy, dickhead. So like we gonna do a little feel test. So who wants to feel each other first? I'm gonna give y'all 10 seconds to feel. What the fuck? Alright, just record. Alright, feel her for 10 seconds.
I get the food.
Yeah. You get to feel her.
That's a girl.
That's a
Do she got hair? Oh, hair.
Okay. Don't touch too much.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Put that shit extended to seconds.
Alright, you done?
Yeah.
Alright. Now feel that nigga.
Huh?
Feel that nigga.
Okay. Cool.
Grab his neck.
Hmm?
Grab his neck.
I did.
Oh shit. Alright. Rate the feel. How y'all feeling? How about the feel?
Cool.
Cool.
I don't like how you try to play me.
Oh shit. Alright, but fucking what's the freakiest thing I ever done? Or y'all wanna take y'all blindfolds off?
No.
You don't want to see me?
What, you scared?
What you
You
scared?
asking the questions.
Alright, this is the last question. What's the freakiest thing I ever done?
Oh!
You want me to go first?
Yeah, bro, go first. He's scared.
I'm thinking.
Like at the school and shit, like when everybody left out the class, eighth grade, everybody left out the class and shit. Like we used to wait for the teacher to dip out, and then when the teacher grabbed her bag, that mean she about to go to the crib and shit. But the teacher ain't grab her bag and shit like that. That mean she not coming in. So we used to wait, and then in the back, I used to just be cooking her in the back of the class, eighth grade. Cooking her in the back of the class, like tell you shit, like.
Dig at her, dickhead.
I used to be just destroying her in the back of the class. And shit, like.
Bags. Alright, what about you? What you did? Alright, y'all, the camera had fucking died on me. She was saying what her freakiest thing. What was your freakiest thing you ever done type shit?
You did everything in the book.
You did everything in a book? Like you ate ass?
Fuck no.
Would you ever eat ass?
Fuck no.
So you
That's
suck
nasty.
balls?
No comment.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright, I want y'all to see each other though, so like turn this way.
Which way?
That way. The other way, right. And you turn left. Alright. 5 seconds to take your mask off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, dickhead. Look at each other. Do y'all like what y'all see?
Yes, Thirsty.
Oh, you like him?
That's my
What you
snake.
like? What you like most about him?
Everything.
You not even looking at him.
Like
What you like about him?
everything.
You like his lips?
Mhm.
You like show what you like about his lips, or or I gotta like get out the car for that.
Huh?
You say you like his lips, right?
Yeah.
So you wanna like show what you like about it, or do I have to get out the car type shit?
I think it's shy.
She's real
What's your
shy.
name? What's your name?
What's your name?
Mel.
Right, you're not
Mel.
even a kid.
I think it's shy.
Oh shit.
You don't have to get out.
I gotta get out. Y'all
You don't
said
have to.
Yeah, but I think you should go.
you want me to get out? I'm gonna get out.
Why you not leaning at me like that? What's that?
Nothing.
What's up?
Hmm?
Look, I'm trying to touch you. What? Yeah, what you doing? Why you trying to turn the camera?
Because.
That's weird shit.
Hmm?
Come here.
Tell me come out.
Come here.
What?
I'm trying to touch you.
Who?
I'm trying to touch you.
I'm trying to talk to you.
Ooh, that's weird. What's up? Where you from?
Turn the camera up.
You from where? You from where? You look good. But how you trying to grab on the camera? Like, what you doing?
Turn it off.
Why I'm turning the camera off? Why you ain't turning the camera off? Cause what? What? Hmm? I got the fucking me in my fucking mouth.
No, what?
Come here.
What?
It's like, what's up? Oh, good type shit.
Mm-hmm. You gotta break your hair.
I look good enough to like get it back and shit.
Baby.
It's like, you getting it back? Same shit. Are you laughing?
Yeah.
Are you with it? Are you with it? Go ahead. No, just climb right here.
No.
Just climb right here. What's up?
Let's watch myself today.
What's up? I mean, it back and shit like this. What's up? You should turn the camera off.
Why you so
Oh,
loud?
you should turn the camera off.
Why you so loud? Why you so loud?
Come here.
Wow.
Sit this way. Sit this way. Sit this way.
I like this one.
What the fuck? Young boy, you really in the back.
That shit only been 3 minutes.
Bro, you on some weird shit, bro.
Yo, bro. That shit only been 3 minutes,
bro.
Alright. I rudely interrupted. My fault. But like, I want to get something to drink. But how y'all blind date go?
Shit was scary.
Y'all think y'all gonna like talk to each
Come
other
here.
after this?
You gotta go out.
Y'all gotta go
You
out?
gotta go on a date and shit.
Where you
like
about to take her out?
that. Wendy's.
Wendy's? Wendy's not
Not
to the
even
forehead,
Chick-fil-A.
kid.
No, not Chick-fil-A. Too expensive. It's like, no, we gonna go somewhere nice, though. What you like? What you want, like seafood and shit, or you want like
Seafood.
you want like soup from like Panera or something?
Like very
Seafood.
You like seafood? Or you like dick?
Oh!
Yeah. Put that side of dick.
Inside dick?
Mm-hmm.
We could do we going to date. You know what date stand for?
Mm-hmm.
What it stand for? Say no more.
Alright. I think the video, I think this shit went good. So y'all could tell me on Instagram if y'all want to. Type shit.
Fours up.
Fours up.
Carry it.
Shout out to she's anonymous, bro.
Shout out to Stink right here.
Her name's Stink.
Shout out to my Stink. Shout out to Stink and shit like that.